Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoom for a new account and webinars, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Zoom website at zoom.us. Once the homepage loads, locate the Sign Up, It's Free button in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click the Sign Up button. Zoom will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Check your inbox for this email and open it. In the email, find and click the confirmation link. This will direct you back to Zoom to create your account. Fill in your first and last name and create a password. Once everything is filled out, click Continue. At this point, you may be prompted to invite colleagues to join Zoom. You can skip this step by clicking Skip this step in the bottom right corner. You are now on your Zoom account dashboard. To schedule a webinar, look for the Webinars tab on the left side of the screen. Click Webinars to continue. Now, select the Schedule a Webinar button. Fill in the required fields such as the webinar title, date, and time. Make sure to adjust the duration and time zone as needed. Set any additional options, like registration or automatic recording preferences. Once you've entered all the details, click Schedule. Your webinar is now created and you can manage it from the dashboard. To share the webinar, copy the invitation link provided and distribute it to your participants. This completes the process of registering for a Zoom account and setting up a webinar. You are now ready to host your first session on Zoom. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.